CR gang, man, back on a YouTube video, bro. That is just weird saying, bro. But we back, man. We are back better than ever, bro. As y'all can see from the title, thumbnail behind me, bro, we got my new 2019 Dodge Charger RT, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't even know what to say for it, bro. As the time is recording this video, bro, it's only been like a week and a half since I've had this car, bro. Just turned 20 years old. I got this car before I was 20. So, yeah, man, I got this car when I was 19 years old, bro. It's just crazy to me, bro. I remember I used to tell all my friends I was gonna get the Honda, and look where we at, bro. I never thought I'd be here, y'all. So, like, all I can just say is it's blessings on blessings. Right now, I'm beaming, so, yeah, man. Y'all haven't seen me in 3 months. Time recording this video, bro, it's been 3 months since y'all haven't seen me, bro. Your boy got a new car, cut off all the hair, and we got a new camera, bro. Over shit was like almost $500 plus for this damn thing. And then all the equipment on top of that, y'all on a tripod right now too. So it's like, bro, I grinded, bro. The reason why I've been gone, bro, is because I've been grinding, bro. New camera, new equipment, new car, bro. Like, it's just a lot of stuff going on right now. So we're gonna try to bounce back and do what we gotta do, man. I hope y'all can hear me too. I got like a mic on here too. So this is my first time using the camera to record anything. So I don't know how it's gonna come out. Y'all on a tripod as well. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah, man, we're gonna give y'all a little look around the car, man. My 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Truly blessed to be in this position that I am right now. Bro, the car looks unique, bro. You don't really see this one on the road. They got the decals on the car and on the rims too as well. So, yeah, like I said, it's only been a week and a half since I've had the car, so we about to have some fun. We about to do a POV drive as well, bro. I got all this equipment for no reason, so we about to put it to use. We about to bounce back, and look, I already hear him roaring. They calling for me. So, yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man, if y'all new to the channel. And yeah, let's go check out the car and let's get into this drive, man. Let's go. Like I was saying, I hope y'all can hear me. This is my first time using this camera, but for videoing, I've done some photography on it. I haven't got the chance to really want to record anything. Just been lazy, grinding, like I said, working off camera, doing my own thing and stuff. So we back, man. And this car is just beautiful, bro. Here y'all go. There's a clean look at it real quick. As y'all can see, we got Brimbos. Brimbos are on it. We got the 6-piston Brimbos. I want to show you the plate. Probably see if I can find something to cover up, so I'm gonna show the license plate because I'm gonna give y'all a quote, a mini start, warm start / cold, because I just drove it on the block. Got the Dodge logos taken off, debadged that. Yeah, man. This car is a Hemi. It's a V8 5.7. Got the interior real quick. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. Got all my equipment back here. You already know, no nigga robbing me, catching me lacking, bro. I got all types of stuff in this car, so we're not even gonna talk about that just in case it do happen, you know. As in like security wise, you feel me? Got all the equipment in there though. Front, side. Just bought some weather mats as well. Yeah, besides that, pretty basic, you know, haven't did too much. I haven't touched up the car as much because I've only had it for a couple weeks. Not even a couple weeks, I'll say. I've only had the car for a couple weeks, so I'll show y'all real quick. Got some 6-inch tips on it real quick. Yes, sir. Here y'all go. Here's a little cold start. Medium start, warm start, whatever you want to call it. But here y'all go. As y'all can see, I didn't get to show this yet. I got the red key. Y'all probably wondering, what the fuck you got a red key with an RT? I got that RT red key, man. I'll probably show. This shit tough. You know, that one, that black key. If y'all like that black key, bro, I don't know what to say, but if you want a red key, just find yourself on TikTok shop or something like that. But here I go. Here's a little cool start. Blew the grass away, bro. Front. Oh my god, bro. This car is just beautiful, man. I am gonna get some white, I don't know what you call these, like side markers, white side markers, strips, whatever the fuck you wanna call them. Whatever you wanna call them. But yeah, man, these boys doing construction over here. Well, mean, y'all seen enough on the outside of the car. We finna go ahead and get in this POV drive. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we in the whip. Let me make sure we're recording and shit. Yeah, we good. Actually, let me see how it look. I don't know if y'all can see out the windshield. It look bright on my screen. Hopefully it don't look like that when I'm editing and stuff, so. Let me drop my seat a little bit just so y'all can see a little bit. I didn't even do nothing for real. Alright, I don't want to show y'all my neighborhood in case it do show, you feel me? I don't want no wind to pick up. Hopefully no wind picks up or anything. There's a red light. Y'all can see when I turn my head, y'all turn my head with me. All right, green light, let's get it. Give y'all a little pull right here. Calm little 80. Got a good little calm little 80 right there. If y'all ever want a charger, bro, not just for how other people, oh, AC was on the whole time. I'm wildin'. If y'all ever want a charger, and I'm not saying that just because how what other people think, bro, even if it's not a charger, get a car that you want, bro. I've always talked about wanting this car. It was between this or a Tesla. But I was like, you know what, bro? I know Teslas are fast and all. Got no gas, all electric. But it's like, bro, you're gonna have way more fun, getting way more eyes in a charger at the end of the day than sitting in a battery car all damn day. So it's like, I know I made the right choice, and this is exactly what I wanted. Not for anybody else, but for me. And I worked to get this, bro, and I'm working. I mean, I'm still working to fucking get it, because, you know, you gotta pay your car off, you know? Can't sit around with a free car unless you pay cash. But, you know, if you're trying to build your credit like I am, go ahead and get you one, bro. Go ahead and get your dream car, bro. Nothing's stopping you, bro. From this car on, it's like, oh no, that's not who I think it is right there. I know that's not who I think it is right there. It's rolling. That's my dog. He just got a new whip too. I don't know if y'all saw him, but he just got a new whip. He just got that what's it called? The Acura, that all red candy red Acura, bro. That shit look clean as fuck, bro. Yeah, but anybody see me in traffic with this damn GoPro on my head, bro, I know they're saying something already. You're like, what the fuck this nigga doing, bro? But like I said, hope y'all can hear me with this this shit right here, the windows down, because I want you to hear the exhaust and all that too. So hopefully it's not like blowing in the damn ear so you can't hear shit. So, but yeah, man, there's gonna be way more videos with this car, like content wise. Like next video is probably gonna be like, I'm saving it for like I can't even talk, bro. Like next video is going to be like how much I pay for this car, how was I able to obtain this car, is this car worth dailying, stuff like that. Like little videos just to explain to you guys, if anybody's out there watching this video wanting a charger, even if it's a Hellcat or a fucking Scat Pack, it don't gotta be an RT. I got an RT because I know what my limit is and how much money I want to spend, because y'all know, anybody who's watching this video own a V8. This shit is not cheap, bro. It's not cheap. But as of right now, driving this car just normally and stuff, going to work, I mean, it depends on where your distance is to work and there and back. I work 30 minutes there and back, so it's a bit pricey, but I go to the gas station about 2 times a week. But I'm not gonna explain myself too much. We're gonna get a little bit into that in another video. But as of right now, man, I'm only going 50 right now. I should be pushing it, but You know how 12 be. Y'all know I got the radar right there. I should have turned around, but I'm just making a big circle in my city, so that was honestly the first person I've seen since I've gotten this car that I haven't seen, like, purposely shown. I've shown a couple of my friends my car, like, saying that, like, I probably put some clips in there actually right now. We're gonna pull up on my boy Javi right now with the new whip. You gotta show him the whip, show him the whip. We're in the RT. So we're gonna pull up on him right now. Hopefully I don't show the address. I'll block it out for you, Javi, if you watching this shit. But we're gonna get your live reaction, dog. You thought I got a tune on the Honda? Nah, dog. Not today. I should have texted us. Nah, I'm gonna just rev on this shit.
Careful. Do I stay recording?
Huh?
Stay recording?
Yeah, stay recording.
Careful with his parents. The garage is open. Oh, he's there.
Hey, Javi, it's time, dog. Let me spin this bitch real quick. Just talking to Ishmael about, like, getting this car like 2 weeks ago, y'all. So he gonna be like, yo, my nigga. You
Do you think he's seen it?
Nah, he literally walked forward and literally just, like, turned around. You didn't even see my car, because it looks great. It looks like a Honda.
No, but you could definitely tell from the front.
I know, but it looks like, if you deadass look, like, see it, he probably looked at it for like 2 seconds. It probably looked like I got a decal.
There they go.
You see?
Yeah, I seen the shadows.
Where he at? Where's he at?
He's about to come out right now.
Alright.
Get the fuck out of here.
Stop, turn it off for Ishmael.
Oh, should I?
Yeah.
Bro, yeah, he got it today, bro. Hey, yo.
He said, get the fuck out of here.
Is the brightness up on the camera? Oh, yeah.
You can see.
Oh, shit. Nah, that's hard, bro. I was like, what do you need to check up on the tune-up?
You see it, bro?
Hey.
Hey, bro.
Whoa. Yo,
see
no,
it,
yo,
bro?
gunshots fired. I don't even know what it is. You heard that shit? Wait, I know I didn't. You heard
it, bro?
Hey, bro, whose car is that? Is that mine?
You heard it, bro.
It's me, bro.
Oh, this you for real?
Yeah.
Oh, this you?
Just got it today.
Okay.
I'm yet to get pulled over for real, so. Look at this truck, bro. Y'all see this? I'm gonna keep my phone right there just so I can see it. Come on, bruh. You for real? I'll give it one. Give y'all another pull, you feel me? A little 80. Bro, this car is fucking fast. I don't know. I don't care what anybody has to say about RTs are slow. They're this and that. I'm gonna say from my perspective, jumping from a Honda to a Charger, bro, these shits are fucking fast, bro. I don't care what nobody gotta say, bro. You beat any car you see right here in front of me, bro. You are beating. You're beating this Ford. You're beating this fucking F-150. Like, 90% of these cars on the road, you are destroying. This car has 375 horsepower. You are blowing the doors off a motherfucking any car you see, bro. I mean, now when you get tuned up with you get mashed up with a tune, you know, you feel me? But besides that, bro, this car is fast, man. Like, honestly, bro, you're gonna have fun in this car. And it realistically, it might blow gas, but if you dumb on the pedal and stuff, bro, you gonna blow gas. But if you really just chilling here and there, flooring it, bro, you good on gas for real, man. You might have like the best you can probably do is 18 miles per gallon. I'm on like 14 because I'm still having fun. I just got the car, bro. Of course I'm gonna have fun.